I've got to give it up. I've got to give it up.
Here we are on our ride today in La Marina. We're going to Guardamar. Here we are, just coming to Guardamar. It's over there.
Leaves are falling all around. Time I was on my way. Thanks to you, I'm much obliged. Such a pleasant stay. But now it's time for me to go. The autumn moonlight's my way. But now I smell the rain, and with it pain, and it's heading my way. Sometimes I grow so tired, but I know about one thing I got to do. I ramble on, and now the time is now. Sing my song. I'm going round the world. I gotta find my girl on my way. I've been this way 10 years till the day. Ramble on, I found the queen of all my dreams. Got no time for spreading news. The time has come to be gone. And though our health we drank 1,000 times, it's time to ramble on.
Here we are today's ride. So we'll just come up this bit here. This is quite tough walking, to be honest. Anyway, there's the castle, that's the next stop. So we're going to back up this track here, round and then up to the top. So today we're on the old Kona lava dome. There's the radio mast, I've been a few times. Here in the sunny Spain, it's raining. Here we are, Guardamar Castle, just inside the castle. Got the keys there. Well, it's just absolutely pissed down, wet through. See the cloud there, this one here. You can see the wet. I'm going to wait a bit till the roads dry out. And I think we're going to go to the marina, which is just over there. Right, so we've just been rained on and we set off, there's a castle there, and I got a puncher. So we're now fixing a puncher.
I've been this way 10 years to the day I got ago, in days of old, when magic ruled the air.
Here we are, the marina at Guardamar.
Just in the darkest depths of Mordor, I met a girl so fair. But Gollum, at the evil wall, crept up and slipped away.